Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com and welcome to my review of Profit Rocket. Now, as with every rocket, it needs a launch date and time, and this one's no exception. So Profit Rocket is launching on the 3rd of December at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. And I'm inside the members area and I'm able to tell you that this is all about the power of social media platform Pinterest for earning affiliate commissions. So you're going to learn how to do that once you get access inside the members area, and I'm going to show you exactly what's in here in a few minutes. But I will summarize that Profit Rocket will teach you how to harness the organic power of Pinterest to make thousands of dollars a month without a mailing list, without any social media experience, and you no need to make your own products. So this is going to show you with a step-by-step 1 hour of over-the-shoulder training and 5 video case studies by leading internet marketers who have made up to 5 figures in the past month using the power of Pinterest and this system. So if this is going to interest you, and if you'd like to pick up Profit Rocket today through my link, which is the first link below this YouTube video, obviously I'll be very grateful if you do that. But also I've got together a package of high quality custom bonuses that are going to really sit nicely with your purchase of Profit Rocket today. You're going to be able to pick those up, as I say, by clicking on the first link below this YouTube video. Brings you to my bonus page here. Click on any of the big yellow buttons on this page, you'll be taken to the sales page, which is this page here when it loads. This is the product creator Johnny Rose, and I was just about to say before that pop-up came in the way there that you will get 10% discount as well. If you go to leave the page, the pop-up comes up, and then you'll be able to get an extra 10% off the purchase price. So just by clicking on the get instant access to Profit Rocket yellow buttons on the sales page, you will get Profit Rocket delivered to you along with my custom bonuses completely free of charge, just by spending $9.45 on the product, less the 10% discount I've just shown you. The only thing you'll need to do is you'll need to make yourself get back to my bonus page before this countdown timer reaches 0, because when that does, the bonuses that I'm going to show you now will expire because they are special bonuses, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on them just by being late back here. But obviously you need to check out what other affiliates are offering, and then you'll find out that these bonuses are very special and are really going to help you. So say $9.45 less 10% is going to get you the front end of Profit Rocket, and it's also going to get you these bonuses, very special bonuses that I've negotiated with my mentor Jono Armstrong, who is a multi-million-dollar profit affiliate. He's made over $2.5 million this year in 5 months, and over the last 3 years he's become very, very successful, and he's launching products all the time. And these are 2 products. The first bonus I'm giving you, 2 of the products are called Mobily and Launchjacker. These are 2 of Jono's high quality products. You're going to get those free of charge. They're all about making money with affiliate marketing and how Jono's become successful over the last 3 years. So bonus number 2, you're going to get access to another of Jono's trainings, which is exploding your YouTube channel. So YouTube is very powerful along with Pinterest, and you're going to learn how to explode your channel. Jono's going to show you how to do that. He's been very successful on YouTube. Bonus number 3, this is all about email marketing, because most people know that if you're going to be successful online, you need to build an email list, and you need to know how to nurture that list and market to that list with proper email marketing. And this is one of Jono's very successful ways that he's built his business. So he's going to show you how to do that with this product on bonus number 3. And bonus number 4, another of Jono's high quality successful products. This is called Insurgency, and you're going to get this, and you're going to get the license rights to sell Insurgency as though it's your own product right the way through the funnel. You will get 100% commissions on that once you sell that product. So that's an absolute fantastic bonus to have. Bonus number 5, well, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses that are available within Profit Rocket. You're not going to miss out on any of those by purchasing through my link, as I say, which is the first link below this YouTube video. So once you've done that, say click on any of the yellow buttons, go to the sales page. You'll then go to your receipt page in Warrior Plus. This will be the receipt page. If you click on the blue button on that page, you will then get my bonuses instantly delivered to you completely free of charge, just by picking up the front end for $9.45 less 10% discount. So that'll have a look at the sales page now. So this is Profit Rocket sales page. Stop spinning your wheels trying to find out what works. See how we get massive results and make $141 plus every day on autopilot with an easy copy and paste method. Harness the organic power of our secret sauce to generate instant sales and commissions. So this is Johnny. He'll give you an introduction there. This is the sales page, so you can scroll down. It's got proof of earnings. This is Johnny and his business partner Sasha Illick. And you've got testimonials here from successful marketers who are using the system. And you're also getting lots of information here. These are the 5 guys who are giving you the testimonials and giving you the case studies of how they've used Pinterest to make money in the last month. I say lots of information on here. Scroll down here and have a look at this in your own time. You know, and there's lots of bonuses here that the vendor has given you. So, you know, along with the bonuses that I've just shown you, you know, there's an absolute ton of information in this product for $9.45, and don't forget the 10% discount. So I'll show you inside the members area now, and once you get access, once you made your purchase, you're gonna get the welcome video from Johnny in here, and he's going to show you how to understand the power of Pinterest. He's got a YouTube channel. You can connect with him on there, and he's going to give you some webinar training as well. Then the main training here is absolutely jam-packed with quality information. Now, I'm not going to read all these out to you, but it's going to show you, you know, what Pinterest is all about briefly. Then there's the Pinterest mission. It shows you how to set everything up, to create pins, and there's, you know, a ton of information for less than $10. It's absolutely insane value. Then here's your case studies. There's 5 case studies from people they're going to show you over their shoulder how they've done you know, successful affiliate commissions with this system. So then you're going to get a conclusion. So what next? Then you're going to get the upgrades. There are some upgrades. I'll show you what they're all about. You don't have to get those, but I'll show you what they're about. Then you got some bonus training. Obviously, also there's unannounced bonuses that you're going to be able to get, along with the bonuses that I've shown you and that are also on the sales page as well. So there are some upsells, as I say. You don't have to buy those. You certainly don't have to buy them to get my bonuses and to get the 10% discount. You can get everything I've shown you for $9.45, so less that discount. Just by buying the front end, you get all my bonuses for $9.45, so don't forget that. So yeah, upsell number 1, Profit Rocket Pro, $27 with a downsell of $17. So this upgraded video course contains over-the-shoulder teaching that will bring your business to the next level using the Profit Rocket strategy. Profit Rocket Pro shows you another platform with zero competition and how you can start reaching buyers in any niche you want. Then upsell number 2, you've got Profit Rocket done for you, $47 with a downsell of $27. So you're going to get 6,000 plus Pinterest templates, motivational, inspirational quotes for make money online entrepreneurs, businesses, etc. All completely done for you. So you just copy and paste and post. Just add your affiliate link to the images and post them. Upsell number 3, Profit Rocket resell rights, $97 down with a downsell of 67. So keep the profits when you resell Profit Rocket to friends, family, and your email list or your social media audience. So you buy the resale rights and Johnny will bump your commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. So that's certainly worth considering for the downsell of 67. Then upsell number 4, Profit Rocket coaching for $77. So you're going to get an hour of one-to-one coaching, conversation and collaboration with Johnny Rose, where you can get your questions answered by him and discuss any stumbling blocks that you're having with the product, or just ask anything you want about internet marketing. So really, those upsells are, some of those are worth having. Certainly worth considering when you say you're going to get just the front end for $9.45 plus my bonuses that I've shown you completely free of charge. Makes this not too difficult a decision to say, and I really hope that you can purchase through my link today, say the first link below this YouTube video. Okay, well, thank you for watching my review of Profit Rocket. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.